All right, guys, welcome back to Orlando Travel Updates, where we'll give you the latest and best information for your Japarism. All right. Anyway, some of you do think that I'm getting money from Facebook. Maybe you are doing me a favor. That's not just the case. That's not the case at all. All right. And some of you does think that without Facebook, probably I will not survive. That's not the case. Anyway, I just want to continue because of some of my faithful fans, my loyal fans who has been there, who does comment and share with or without updates that they share. They are always there for Orlando. All right, without wasting much of your time, I just want to go straight to this question right away. Someone asked me, as a Nigerian soldier who want to take Aduro when he traveled abroad, and he's traveling with tourist or visiting visa, what advice can I give to this person? How can he succeed? Now, let me just tell you, as a Nigerian soldier, you have upper hand to succeed with Aduro very easily. I've said it over and over in many of my videos. Aduro, what will make you to succeed over Aduro is how you prepare yourself. And I also used to tell you people, before traveling to abroad, try as much as you can to prepare yourself right from your country before leaving. Prepare what you want to present, how you want to present it. Prepare your story very, very well, because at the point of arrival, your case might start from there. There will be a situation that you will see. You will be forced to start it right from there. Do you understand? I've gotten a lot of testimonies, people calling me saying, Orlando, if not for you that gave us the information that you should prepare for our Aduro before coming, that they would have fallen a victim of deportation. And that is the reason why I keep telling you, say, prepare your story before traveling. Arrange it from your home country before leaving your country. There will be a way. If worse come to worse, you start the Aduro right from that port of entry. If your Aduro is genuine, there is no way they will repatriate you back, no matter what it takes. They will try to do it as fast as possible. The next thing you will do, you look for a way to communicate and get a lawyer. Do you understand? Now, let me quickly go to that question you ask. As a Nigerian soldier that is traveling and want to take Aduro with your visiting visa, you have an upper hand to take your Aduro, and you have an upper hand to be granted Aduro. Do you understand what I'm saying? The reason is because you have different stories. You have proof. You can use mark which is on your body. You can use soldier language terms. You can use everything, things that can happen in the country as your own proof. In fact, your type of person are the people that they grant asylum very easily, Aduro very easily. Do you understand? When you prepare your stories very well, because this is government. We are talking about government. All right. You have worked for government, and there is a reason you left that thing. You disobeyed and left the country, left this organization, left your whatever they call it as a military personnel, and now seek for safety. There are different stories you can give. You can be among people who has been in Sambisa forest. You can be among people who they're sent to go and chase back Fulanis, and they keep, giving Fulani informant about, you guys, they ambush you. A lot of things you can say, a lot of things. You can frame up things, a lot of things against the authorities. This is government. They know that government is involved. And any case that your own government is involved, no part of your country can save you. I used to tell you guys that any story that you involve government, that means no part of your country. It's only government that can involve in your issue, and no part of your country can save you. Most of you who does go to asylum, your interview, they don't ask you, why didn't you go to this place? Why didn't you go to the other place when you use your family issue, or when you use a total different issue that does not involve government? They will ask you, okay, since it happened in this place, why didn't you travel to this place? Why did you choose this country? Why didn't you travel to other country? Why didn't you do this one? These are they want to know if you had a chance to survive or safeguard yourself in another city or nearby country, and you choose their own country. Why? So if you have a chance of surviving in another state, automatically they will not grant you that asylum. Do you understand? So as a soldier, you have upper hand. You have a lot of things to tender as the reason why you left your military position or your military work. So my advice is to you is to prepare, have a proof. Have a proof. You can mention few friends that have gone in the process of fighting, in the process of the place they have sent to you people. All right. There are some proof that you can tender with your cry, your tears and your feelings. All the people that went to military, they feel for them so much, they respect them so much, they care for them so much because they know that you people undergo trauma. They will give you a special care. A special care if you present your case very, very well as a military personnel who resigned for a particular reason and ran away. In this case, I rest my case. This is what I have for you. Share this one to help other people who have left their military work in order to save their life. You guys have seen how the country is going. They are not being taken care of. They are not being well fed. They are not being well paid. All right? So, share it for me.